Hello everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most surprising smartphones released this year, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. Over the past few years, Infinix has been aggressively pushing the boundaries of what a mid-range smartphone can offer. And with the Note 60 Ultra, the company is clearly aiming to compete with devices that cost significantly more. This phone comes packed with features that we normally expect from flagship smartphones, including a 200-megapixel camera, a massive 7,000 milliamp-hour battery, a high refresh rate AMOLED display, and even satellite communication support. So the big question is the Infinix Note 60 Ultra really a flagship killer, or is it just another smartphone with big numbers on paper? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this device, including its design, display quality, performance, cameras, battery life, and the unique features that make it stand out. Let's start with the design. Starting with the design, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra definitely looks like a premium device. This smartphone was designed in collaboration with Pininfarina, the famous Italian design company known for creating luxury sports cars. That partnership brings a very distinctive design language to the phone. The device features a sleek aluminum frame combined with a glass back, giving it a solid and premium feel when you hold it in your hand. Another interesting design element is the active matrix display on the rear side, which can show notifications, icons, or animations. There is also a lighting effect called the floating tail light, which lights up during certain system events, such as powering on the device. Overall, the design of the Note 60 Ultra feels futuristic, elegant, and surprisingly premium for a device in this category. Moving on to the display, this is another area where the Infinix Note 60 Ultra really shines. The phone comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution close to 1.5K, which delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors. One standout feature is the 144 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel much more fluid. Whether you are browsing social media, watching videos, or playing games, the high refresh rate makes the experience feel much more fluid. The display also supports very high peak brightness, reaching up to 4,500 nits, which means the screen remains visible even under direct sunlight. In addition, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, providing extra durability against scratches and accidental drops. Overall, the display experience is easily one of the strongest aspects of this device. Now let's talk about performance. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate, built on a 4-nanometer architecture. This processor delivers strong performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even demanding mobile games. The phone is paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM, which helps ensure smooth multitasking and better app performance. For storage, the device offers up to 512 gigabytes of internal storage, providing plenty of space for apps, games, photos, and videos. In terms of gaming performance, the combination of the Dimensity chipset, fast RAM, and the 144 Hz display makes the device capable of handling modern mobile games smoothly. For most users, the performance of the Note 60 Ultra should feel fast, responsive, and reliable. Now let's talk about one of the most impressive features of this phone, the camera system. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra features a 200-megapixel main camera capable of capturing extremely detailed images. High-resolution sensors like this allow the phone to produce sharper photos, especially in well-lit conditions. The phone also includes a periscope telephoto camera, enabling optical zoom capabilities for distant subjects. This makes the device much more versatile for different types of photography, including portraits, landscapes, and zoom photography. In addition, there is an ultra-wide camera, which is ideal for group photos and wide landscape shots. For selfies, the phone includes a 32-megapixel front camera, which supports high-resolution photos and video recording. Overall, the camera system on the Note 60 Ultra is clearly designed to deliver a flagship-level photography experience. Battery life is another area where the Infinix Note 60 Ultra stands out. The phone is equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than what we usually see in most smartphones. With this capacity, users can expect excellent battery life that can easily last more than a full day of normal usage. The phone also supports 100-watt fast charging, allowing the battery to recharge quickly when needed. In addition, the device supports wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging, which means it can be used to charge other devices such as earbuds or smartwatches. This combination of large battery capacity and fast charging makes the Note 60 Ultra very practical for everyday use. So, after looking at all its features, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra is clearly a very ambitious smartphone. It combines several flagship-level features, including a 200-megapixel camera, a powerful Dimensity processor, a 144Hz AMOLED display, a huge 7,000 mAh battery, and modern connectivity features. If Infinix manages to offer this device at a competitive price, the Note 60 Ultra could easily become one of the most interesting smartphones of the year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.